Hi everybody, this is Fire Alarm Fan 457 and welcome to system test number 52. So let's get started. What you're looking at currently is my 2098-9806 key switch. Over here on zone 1, I have this. This is the Pyrotronics MS51 single action. And it's kind of hard to pull with one hand. And it resets using an Allen wrench. Up here, NAC 1, I got this is not a U-MHU. This is actually the Faraday 2834, which is the same thing as a Siemens U-MHU. And I have it set on its default setting, which is code 3 horn. I have it on the lowest volume. Now, and over here on NAC 2 for a remote strobe, I got my Siemens U-S17. Then down here in zone 2, I got this Cerberus Pyrotronics MS151. Pretty easy to pull, and it resets again with an Allen wrench. Then over here I still got the smoke detector, but we will not be testing that today. Instead, we will be testing this. Yep. This is my System Sensor 5602 heat detector with a fixed temperature rating of 194 degrees. I finally got the new detector to replace my old one that I accidentally popped. So that's a good thing. So this is currently what I have set up. What I'm planning to do shortly, I'm going to wire a light switch right here for my power supply, so that way I won't have to keep plugging it in. I may also put one here to silence the alarms easier. That way I wouldn't have to reset the pull station that was pulled to silence them. So we will not be using any keys today. So without further ado, we're going to start off with the test. And before I start the test, don't pull fire alarms in real buildings unless it's a real emergency. And please do not watch if you have epilepsy, as these strobes are out of sync. Anyways, we're going to start off by pulling the MS151. Bear with me, because this is kind of hard to pull with one hand. But here we go. In 3, 2, 1. We're going to go ahead and silence that. Now, to reset this pull station, you have to use this Allen wrench type thing, and you have to open the pull station by unscrewing this hex screw thing. Here, I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. See, that's what it looks like on the inside. This is, see, there's the model number. It's MS151. Down here, you got the button, which activates the alarm. Now, when you open the when the pull station is pulled, when you open it, the handle will spring right back up. Now, I just have to screw it back in, and then the pull station will be reset. All right, there's the pull station reset. Now we can put power back onto this. All right. And now now everything is reset. So now we're gonna activate the MS151. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. So to reset this pull station, again, you would need this key, the hex key. You see that hole right in there? You would insert the key into this hole, and you would turn it. Then, when the pull station is pulled down, when you turn the hex wrench like this, there's like a spring. And when you push down, when the spring pushes down, the pull station will just pop right back up. It's much easier to reset than the MS51. All right, so to wrap up this test, we're going to activate the heat detector. We will not be activating the key switch or smoke detector today. So I do apologize. And I also will not be putting the horn on continuous, because that jumper inside there is kind of a pain to get out. All right. Now to activate the heat detector, we're going to use this special tool that I got. And when the heat detector is activated, the alarms, they will only go off for just like 5 seconds. And then, since this heat detector's rate of rise, it self-resets. And when it self-resets, the alarms shut right back off on their own. So I'm going to get my tool to activate the heat detector with, and I'll be right back. All right, now we're going to wrap this up by testing my heat detector. So to test it, I got this little hair dryer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point it, turn on the hair dryer, point it right at the detector, and the detector will activate. But it may take a little bit to do it. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Yep, and that's basically it. You can see that the alarms, they shut off right by themselves, which is pretty neat when you test a heat detector and you don't have a panel. Anyways, this is going to do it for System Test 52, everybody. I hope you enjoy it. Remember, as always, to check out my other fire alarm videos, and I will see you next time. Peace out, everybody. Have a nice day.